Welcome to our channel. If you subscribe to NBA League Pass through Amazon Prime Video and want to cancel, follow these steps to stop future charges and manage your subscription. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to Amazon.com. Then log in with your Amazon account credentials associated with your Prime membership. Step 2. Hover over Accounts and Lists in the top right corner. Then select Memberships and Subscriptions from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Look for NBA League Pass in your list of active subscriptions. It will show the next renewal date and subscription details. Step 4. Click on NBA League Pass to view full subscription details, including payment history, renewal date, and cancellation options. Step 5. Select Cancel Subscription or Cancel Channel next to NBA League Pass. Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. Step 6. Amazon may offer you a discounted rate or pause option to keep you subscribed. Choose Continue to cancel if you want to proceed. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by selecting the Final Confirmation button. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Amazon. You can continue watching NBA League Pass until your paid period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.